Well, it's been coming a long time, and the sun is out on my little brown project. Richard, are you excited for this?
Yeah.
It's going to be a lot of hard work.
I don't know, I think some of it will be okay.
Richard's going to try and start this, but it doesn't start. I think we knew that this wasn't start because this engine is coming out. This engine is coming out of my little brown Colt. And because Richard has finished... I don't think that's going to start, Richard. The engine from this MB is going in it. So there we go. There's two of my cars. Well, three of my cars side by side, but two of my cars side by side. MB Civic engine going in the old brown Colt. Looking forward to it. I can't tell you how much I'm looking forward to this. It's going to be exactly what. And then obviously get the bodywork restored.
Hey, can you remember where the choke was?
Yeah, it's... It had an immobiliser, didn't it? I don't think that's going to go, mate. Let's find the choke.
Where's the limit gone?
I'm excited.
And that should be pretty good, really. Fuel lines we might have to swap, but again, we'd be making them anyway, so I don't think that's too much of a drama. No. I'd like to try and just leave everything original, and like the loom in the car that powers everything, I'd like to try and leave that alone as well and just take the engine loom out. Because to be honest, the engine loom for this is like going to be like 4 wires. And it's going to do nothing. The only thing that's a bit annoying is the battery's in the front. And that might cost us space, so we may have to relocate that to the rear.
Yeah, that's nothing major, is it?
And relocate and put a battery in the boot.
You're making videos again?
I am making videos.
Fuck off, cunt.
Well, I think we're all excited. I think we're all excited
Yeah,
for something
wait.
different. Something different.
A new project.
Yeah.
Not that we need any more projects, but...
This one's been in the queue though, hasn't it, for a couple of years?
Fair enough, it has been in the queue.
Yeah, I'm dead excited.
Glad you are.
What does the Honda engine make stock? About 100 brake? We had it on the dyno, didn't we?
Didn't it when we ran it standard?
Yeah, we ran it on the dyno, didn't
I
we?
can't remember what it made. Was it 97 or something that it made?
Yeah.
Maybe something like that. But that was all standard exhaust, standard airbox, standard everything, weren't it? You know what I mean?
Yeah, we're gonna have
bear in mind, this car probably would have been 50, wouldn't it? From
Yeah.
the factory. 50, if that. So, a marked improvement, whatever happens. For sure.
Tres excitement. It's as old as us, Rich, that car.
Yeah, it's a better condition, no?
But it's definitely less wheezy than I am at the moment.
Right, let's get this.